Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix mention all Facebook friends not showing in your Facebook. So if you are using Facebook and there is an update that in which you can just type @friends in any comments, and this will help you to tag all your friends. So if it is not working in your in your Facebook, so what you have to do is, first of all I'm going to show you that this is not working in my mobile even. So I'm going to fix it in it. So now I am going to just scroll down, and now I'm going on this, and now here I have to @, and when you click you will see that if it is working at the top of your this box, every friend. So but it is not working. So what I have to do is, how to make friends in one click if that update is not working. So what you have to do is, first of all check that you have updated your Facebook. So I haven't updated it, so I'm going to update it and wait for it. So now I'm going to open again this. So now I'm going to just check whether it is now working or not. So no, it is not working right now. So now what I have to do is just go into the setting, and this is second method and it will work definitely. Now here you have to find Facebook, and now what you have to do is just click on the storage and clear cache. So now now I'm going to show you again that it is now working. So just click on this @, and here you have to type friends and just click on. So like this you can mention everyone or every friend in your comments, in any post of comments. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.